Once, in a beautiful green forest, lived a giant elephant named Gaja. Gaja was very kind, but because he was so big, he didn't always see the small things around him. One day, Gaja wanted to scratch an itch on his back. He leaned against a tall banyan tree and gave it a big rub. Crash! The tree shook, and a tiny bird's nest fell straight into the mud. Choti, a tiny weaver bird, began to cry. She had worked for many days to weave her home. To Gaja, the nest looked like a small ball of grass. But to Choti, it was her everything. Gaja knelt down and looked closely with his big gentle eyes. He saw how hard Choti was working to fix her home. He felt very sorry. He realized that even a small mistake for an elephant can be a big problem for a bird. Gaja decided to help. He used his strong trunk to pick up the best grass and sticks. He held the branches steady so Choti could weave a new, safe home. Soon, they were working together like a team. As the sun set, Choti sat happily on Gaja's head. Gaja learned a very important lesson. It doesn't matter if you are big or small. Being a true hero means being kind and helping others. Stories teach us many beautiful lessons. When we listen carefully, we learn to be kind, brave, and wise. Did you enjoy the story, children? Wonderful! Remember the lesson from today's story and always do the right thing. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories.